Hey guys, here we are in Mobile, Alabama at the USS Alabama Memorial Battleship Park. You can see the mighty A behind us. Installing a new, let's see if I can get a better picture on that. New aluminum frame chain link gate. So the story here, Mobile police had a high-speed chase that ended here at the park. You can see Highway 98 traffic right there, and the interstate right behind it. Guy came through here, crashed his car into the gate running from the cops. Ended up actually getting away. I don't know how that happened, but took out their gate, and we're putting a new aluminum frame chain link slide gate on here with a rotary gate systems SL1000C commercial rack and pinion gate operator. We'll be taking more videos and pictures as we go along over the next couple of days, finishing up this installation.